In front of me is Huawei Nova Y70, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, just open the settings, go to home screen and wallpaper, and now choose the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper. Here you can go to some online wallpapers, you can download something, you can also buy some wallpaper from the store, but I will choose one from my wallpapers. Actually, there is just one, so maybe let's pick one from the Huawei wallpapers, for example this one. Then just click on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me choose both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screen. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.